guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video, especially if you're one of my online friends. Thank you so much for continuing to support me. I love you guys, and if you've just come across my channel, you know, I might love you as well if you're subscribed. Not only am I going to be giving you a length check for my 10th month rice water challenge, I finished it. I'm so glad this challenge is over. I'm going to be doing a length check and we're going to be comparing and seeing if I got any growth. And also in this video, I'm going to be doing a I tried, okay? I'm going to be trying a hairstyle from a YouTuber. Her name's Mercy Gono. Some of you may know her. I really want to try this hairstyle that she's doing because I want to wear my hair in stretched styles a lot more, and I want to retain the length. And I just love the style that she did. It's very simple and easy, and the reason why I want to do this style is because people who have got long hair, you know, they stretch their hair, and because I need my hair stretched, I thought I would just start it off with a really nice hairstyle. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. So if you want to watch that, go and get your plantain and your fufu. Stick around, get comfortable. So I've come to you today in this shower cap because I've just freshly washed my hair, conditioned it, deep conditioned it with the steamer. Look very 80s, don't I? Anyway, I just thought I would do something different because it is lockdown. We are in lockdown in UK. For some reason, now I don't want to wear all the home clothes. I want to wear the clothes that I might have worn if I was going out. So in her video, she actually put 2 products in her hair, which is wonderful. So I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner by Amari Me. It's very hydrating and moisturizing, and it's perfect for what I need to do. This will keep the moisture in for a long time, sis, and it's extremely creamy. So I'm going to be putting this on my hair. I'm just going to take section by section. Can you see that? Woo! Look at that. That's this side and this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my hair before it dries up. Just going to take sections and apply the thing. And it gives my hair a slight hold as well, and I will be sealing it in with the Mel's Butter Me Up. Look at that, look at that. That looks so good, didn't it? So nice and shiny. It keeps the shine on my hair, and it's just, oh, it's a funny sound, isn't it? And it's just perfect for my hair because I've got fine, light strands, and it's just perfect. It also works extremely well with thicker hair strands, as well as fine strands. I just love it. Look at that. Look at the shine. Look at that shine. It doesn't leave my hair greasy. Now I need to have my hair blow dried straight, so I'm going to be using the Rev Air. I just love this leave-in conditioner. Look how it makes my hair clump up as well. I'll leave all the details down in the description bar for these products. Very quickly, while I'm doing this, I'm just going to be giving you some information about the challenge that we did, the rice water challenge. If you have no idea what I'm talking about and you would like to be part of this challenge as well, I will leave a card up here also and in the description box so you can have a look at the ingredients. Over a period of time, I was uploading on my Instagram to let you guys know. I was really conscious about using the rice water because I didn't want to have an overload. So let me tell you this story, okay? You know I'm going to story you, don't you? So on day 1 was great. I started to apply the rice water and I loved it because I love rice water, and it was black rice water. Very potent, very potent. However, day 2 came, my hair was very stiff. I've got to say, I was a bit worried. I was going to, you know, call the police and get the rice water arrested. Day 3 happened and it was a midweek moisture boost. So I went in there and I did a really beautiful midweek boost of moisture and hydration on a DIY, which kind of springed my hair back. Now from this rice water challenge, my hair feels stronger. I stopped using it on my ends. I just felt like I should stop. So I didn't put it on my ends after day 4. I left it in my roots and was just doing the massaging. Just to do it every day was a bit of a bother for me. And I also didn't like the smell. It was a little smelly. But one of the things I did differently this time to any other challenges that I just left my hair alone. So before I seal this leave-in conditioner with the Mel's Butter Me Up, let me show you the results, okay? Let me show you how much I actually grew. Don't worry about this shrinkage. don't be fooled by this, okay? So you can see there's been some growth for the last 14 days and I am happy with that growth. So will I be doing this again? Absolutely, but I'm not going to do it straight away. I'm gonna give my hair a rest because I want my hair on my head, okay? I want to know, did you do the challenge and what have your results been? Have you had good results? Did you manage to get any inches or has your hair got stronger? Anyway, my hair is starting to dry. I'm putting on now the Mel's Butter Me Up. I'm using about this much on each section. I'll put the Mel's Butter Me Up on the screen, but you know, if you've been here before, you know this thing already. You know the drill already, because this thing is the real thing. Don't say I didn't tell you, okay? I have to say, in Mercy's video, she did actually blow dry her hair first of all, and then when it was dry, she applied her products. But I need to do it a little different because I know my hair. Let's do this, all right? And I'm gonna be doing it with the Rev Air. Hang on a minute. Let me just come back here. Oh, it's the Rev Air. This is not a sponsored video, but they were kind enough to send me this. And I have a video already using the Rev Air. I will link it at the top. But we are going to do this. It's very heavy, but it's very powerful. And I love the Rev Air. I think it's an amazing tool. All right. Oh, I don't like this. That process literally triggered off the perimenopause. I was sweating and kind of reversing what I was doing. It was a nightmare. I can still feel my scalp quite warm. I better be quick because the hair is going to revert. But I didn't want to completely make it bone straight and completely dry because I need to do the thing. I need the style and it needs to set. Okay, so I'm going to do a middle parting, and my middle parting is easy to do with freehand because I basically had my hair in bunches every day last week. Just making sure that my hair is completely tangle free, which I believe it is. I believe it is. Look at that shine, eh? Lovely. Oh, mines aren't too bad. I could possibly do with a little bit of a dusting, which I might do. But for now, that is mighty fine. All right, so now that that's done, all she did was do a braid. Well, your girl cannot, I can't cane row, I can't. I'm just going to perform for you a very nice flat twist, okay? Just gonna make sure it's really kind of tight. And then what Mercy did next was that she had a piece of paper and she folded it, and instead of a perm rod she used paper to twist her ends. So I'm going to do exactly the same. I do have perm rods, but I'm going to do exactly what Mercy does in her video because I would like to get the same results, please. So I'm just going to go in there with the leave-in conditioner, but I just need to make sure that the ends really give some definition. So what she does in the video is, as a perm rod, I probably got too much here. In fact, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. You got to help me. Mercy, where are you? Mercy, what are you doing? Come here and help me. And what I remember, she carefully wrapped this round as if it was, oh, come on. Don't be disobedient. As if it was perm rod. So that's about it. And then she tied it up. Oh dear. So I'm just going to knot this sure there's another way, like using a perm rod. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this because this is what she did in her video. All right, so we've knotted that. I don't know if that's enough. Is that enough? Is that enough? I'm going to take it out because I just think it's not enough. I need to roll it up a little bit more. So I'm gonna roll it some more. Oh dear. So far, let's just have a look. What's that done? It's not really done much, has it? Okay, so start again. And we're gonna roll this. Okay, like so, like that. And then I'm gonna tie it to secure it there. Let's see, just like that. I don't know why I don't just use a perm rod. I've got it in the other room. Why am I making it difficult for myself? Because I don't want to waste my time. Okay then, the paper's ripping. The paper is ripping. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that part off because it's broken off. And we will just leave that there. Now I'm gonna go onto this side and I'm going to do the same here on this side. So I'm just gonna leave my hair for a number of hours. If it was bedtime, I will just put a scarf on it and go to bed. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it for some time and then I'll come back. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours, as you can see, the greasy face. So normally it's a good idea to use an oil, but I don't have oil here. I'm gonna be using the Mel's Butter Me Up because it melts into an oil. And I'm just going to carefully take this down. Now, I don't want frizz, goodness me, after all this, I really don't want frizz, so I'm gonna just unravel this softly, softly. Okay, let me see. Are we getting it? All right, maybe it would have been a better result if I had slept overnight with it. You see, ooh. I don't know. We are getting there. The definition isn't amazing, and that's only because I've been. It's about 3 hours, so if it was overnight, it would have been a lot better. I'm just picking it up with my hands. I'm not going to separate them much because frizz is forming. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is using the pick just to give it some more volume. So I'm just going to go in on the roots and just pick it up. Ooh, it's not bad, is it? Nice little hairstyle. Alright, so that is it. I'm just going to tidy up my edges. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm not a youth, I'm 48 years old. You know, these styles, I leave it to them, you know. This hairstyle's making me hot. And it's nice and fluffy. It's got a nice wave to it. Even if my hair does get frizzy, it's just going to get bigger and bigger, and it's kind of okay. I feel like now for the rest of the winter that I'm going to try very hard to keep my hair in a stretch form, maybe have some twist out styles for a day or two, have my hair in plaits or have them in twists just to keep my hair from curling up and tangling up on itself. If you're growing your hair, the best way to retain length is to have your hair in braids or twists. You know, that is the truth. All right, so this is making me really hot and it's starting to revert back. I need to put this hair in a bun or twist. I can't stop touching my hair. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video and share it because it's such a simple routine that anybody can do. Like, my hair's already getting frizzy. I've got to go. I'm going now, guys. I will see you again in my next video. Take care and God bless you. Bye. Oh my goodness. Woo. Hi. What is going on? It's my Instagram moments. Okay,